In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. We'll cover 3 common scenarios: moving an entire notebook to a new location, moving content between notebooks, and moving a local notebook into the cloud. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can choose the method that fits your situation. First, let's talk about moving a notebook to a new location. 1. Note itself doesn't let you drag a full notebook to a different folder inside the app. The actual move happens where the notebook is stored. If your notebook lives in OneDrive, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Navigate to the folder that contains your notebook, often in Documents or a OneNote Notebooks folder. Select the notebook, then use any Move to option you prefer. Click the Move to button on the toolbar. Open the ellipsis menu next to the notebook's name and choose Move To, or simply right-click the notebook and pick Move To. You might notice the notebook appears as a shortcut file in OneDrive. That's normal for OneNote. Once you've moved it, close any open sessions of that notebook in OneNote. Then, in OneNote, go to Open and reopen the notebook from its new location. If the app doesn't reflect the change right away, closing and reopening OneNote usually refreshes the link. Next, if your goal is to move content into another notebook rather than relocating the whole file, you can move sections on Windows. Open both notebooks in OneNote so you can see your source and destination. In the source notebook, right-click the section tab you want to move and choose Move or Copy. In the dialog box, select the destination notebook and the target location within it, then select Move. Repeat this process for each section you want to transfer. This method is great when you're reorganizing or consolidating without changing the original notebook's storage location. Finally, if your notebook is stored locally on your computer and you want it in OneDrive or SharePoint so it syncs and travels with you, open the notebook in OneNote and go to File, then Share. Choose the OneDrive or SharePoint location where you want the notebook to live and click Move Notebook. OneNote will handle the sync and convert it into a cloud notebook, making it accessible across devices. That's it. Decide whether you need to relocate the notebook file, reorganize sections, or move a local notebook online, and follow the steps that match your goal.